Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You've opened the document. Make sure you're signed into your Google account so Docs can access your language settings. First, set the document language via file language so spell check matches regional rules. Once done, confirm you have an internet connection. Docs uses cloud dictionaries for best results. If you plan to work offline, enable offline in Drive settings before starting. Now, position the cursor where you want to begin checking. This first step ensures accurate suggestions and consistent vocabulary handling. You'll run the check from Tools, Spelling, and Grammar. Choose Show Spelling Suggestions to reveal flagged words. As suggestions appear, accept changes for quick fixes, ignore single instances, or add technical terms to your personal dictionary to prevent future flags. Make sure grammar suggestions are enabled if you want style corrections as well. This helps with sentence clarity and agreement. If a suggestion seems wrong, click the three-dot menu for alternatives. These steps give you control over automated edits while preserving and finish by reviewing every accepted change. Use suggesting mode or version history to confirm edits and restore anything you don't want. If spell check misses terms, make sure the document language matches the text and that your custom dictionary entries are saved. Once done, run a final manual scan for names, acronyms, or 1/4 style fractions that automation can miss. If spell check never appears, clear your browser cache, reauthorize Google account access, or try a different browser. These fixes solve most persistent problems.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.